Hello everyone, here we are going to start with a new unit which is called as number systems. In this unit we are going to study the following topics. First and foremost, we study the different types of number system and the conversions of one type to another. So next we follow arithmetic operations on this number system. Then we will study some of these switching logic levels. Hope some you have learnt in your PUs like AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate. These are the switching logic levels which we learn in this unit. At last we study applications of these logic levels. This video covers the first two topics, that is the types of number system and the conversions from one type to another. First we will go with types of number system. Okay. Basically we have four types. First one, the very familiar type. So ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ PUದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು, that is decimal number system. The next three we are having is binary, octal, and at last we are going to study hexadecimal. Okay. So in this, the first decimal is very familiar to everyone. So we will first discuss the decimal number system. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸೂ ವಿ ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, 3586. ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ 3586. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, 10 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಆ ಥರ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅವು ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 3000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 500 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 80 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 3586. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋ ಇದೆ? 3. ಸೊ 1000 ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 10 ಪವರ್ 3. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? 3 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್, ಬರೀ 1 0 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 10 ಪವರ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 0 ಇಲ್ಲ, 6 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ 0. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ? 10 ಪವರ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 1. 10 ಪವರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 10. 10 ಪವರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 10 ಇಂಟು 10 ಅಂದರೆ 100 ಆಯಿತು. 10 ಪವರ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 10 ಇಂಟು 10 ಇಂಟು 10 ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1000 ಆಯಿತು. ವಾಪಸ್ 10 ಪವರ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 10 ಇಂಟು 10 ಇಂಟು 10 ಇಂಟು 10 10,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಹುಶಃ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೀಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ 3586 ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 3000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 500 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 80 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ಸ್. 3 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ 3, 3 ಇಂಟು 10, 5 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ 2, 8 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 6 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ 0. ಆಗ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 10. ಸೊ ದ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 10. Why we call it as 10 is, in the decimal number system, what are the numbers we are available is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbers available is only from 0 to 9. So ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 10, 11, 12, that are just combination of 10 ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 0, 1 combination, 11, 1, 1 combination, 12 is 1, 2 combination. So the basic numbers which is available in decimal is just 0 to 9. ಸೊ 0 to 9 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total numbers I am having is 10. So that is why the base of decimal number system is 10. How I got this base of decimal number system is 10? Because we are having total numbers in the decimal as 9. So further, whatever may be the number, I have written 3586. It is just combination of these 10 numbers. So the base is always 10. So I have splitted this 3586 as the number with its position. So if I take that, I will write the same number 3586. So this is at 0th position. So 8 is at first position. 5 is at second position. 3 is at third position. So first and foremost, I have written the position of each number. So now what I will do, 3 into what is the position of that 3? The number 3 is at the position 3. So 10 power 3. Why I have taken 10? This is base of decimal number system. Plus next 5 into 10 power, what is the position of 5? It is in second position. Plus 8 into position of 8 is 1 plus 6 into 10 power 0. So now we will ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದೇ ಥರ I can write using the position of number system. So this is just one way of writing the normal decimal number system in terms of its base and its position. So what we have written? Number into base of the number system. Here ns refers to number system to the power of position of number. Position of number. Clear? So this will be the formula for any number system. So here I have taken the number system as decimal. So the base is 10 to the power of its position. So which number? 3 into base is 10, 10 power 3 plus the number is 5 into base is 10, 10 power 3. So this will be the algebraic sum of all the numbers given in the group of any number system. This we are talking about decimal number system. So decimal will have base of 10 and the total numbers will be from 0 to 9. This you have to remember. So the next number system is binary. So everyone is familiar with the term bi. Bidirectional ella kade use madirtare. Bi refers to 2. So this indicates in that decimal, deci refers to 10. So we got clear clarification. I add total numbers of 10 from 0 to 9. So here bi refers to only 2. That means I will be having only 2 numbers. So what are the numbers available in decimal? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So binary means I will have only 2 numbers. So our regular numbers start from 0 and end up at 9. So what are the 2 numbers which is available at the beginning? It is 0 and 1. So these are the beginning numbers of any number system. So I am having only bi, that is only 2 numbers is required for this particular number system. So I am taking it as 0, 1. So the total numbers in binary number system is 2. The numbers are 0 and 1. So here any number we will represent in terms of only 0 and 1. So this is binary number system. Here base will be, hope you can guess now, the decimal we had 10 numbers, so base was 10. Binary we have 2 numbers, so base will be obviously 2. So this is the second number system. So here we will just take with reference to the decimal number system. So we had 0 to 9 total number. In that first 2 numbers we have to take. So it is binary. So the binary number system will have only 0 and 1. The third number system is octal number system. Octal refers to 8. So the numbers what we are having? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first 8 numbers I will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means the numbers in your octal number system will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the numbers of octal number system. Total numbers will be 8. So octal refers to 8. So I will have 8 numbers. So the regular number system only we will consider, that is from 0 to 9. In that we are taking first 8 numbers. First 8 numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the numbers. So here this 8, I can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So instead of 2 into 2, I can write it as 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. So what this refers to? 8 refers to octal number system. 2 refers to binary number system. So any number which is given in octal can be represented as binary number system with 3 digits. With 3 digits. How I got this 3 digit? 3 digit I got it from the power. Clear? So I will repeat again. So 8 is my octal number. I can convert it to the binary. How I will convert? 8 will be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So you may get question why I didn't convert the decimal. Because we know 10 cannot be taken in terms of 2's power. So we are not taking decimal, but 8 can be converted as 2's power. So, we are taking 2 into 2 into 2. So, total it is 2 power 3. So, any number which is given in octal can be converted to the binary with 3 digits. How I got this 3 digit? Because it is power of 8. 8 is equal to 2 power 3. So, this is the third number system, octal. The last number system is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. So, here I will just split the numbers. I will split hexa and I will split decimal. So, decimal is very familiar for us. Decimal will have total 10 numbers. Hexa refers to pentagon, hexagon. Hexagon refers to 6. So, 10 plus 6 total 16 numbers will be there in the hexadecimal number system. The total numbers available in the number system we can directly guess from the name of its individual. So, decimal 10, binary by it is there, so it is 2. Octal, the name suggests we will have 8 numbers. Hexadecimal, you just take combination hexa plus decimal. Hexa is 6, decimal is 10. So, 10 plus 6 is total 16 numbers. So, first 10 numbers is fine, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, but what have after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, this completes the total 16 numbers. But the problem is the 9 is up to 9 is the individual numbers. But when it comes to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it is just combination of 1, 2, 3. So, what we will do, we will just replace this with the alphabets of English. So, we will start from A. 10 is replaced as A, 11 is replaced as B, 12 is replaced as C, 13 is replaced as D, 14 is replaced as E, 15 is replaced as F. So, the numbers in the hexadecimal is 0 to 9 and then A to F. Total it will have 0 to F. Why we have taken A, B, C, D, F? The only reason is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are formed with the combination of the normal numbers 1, 2, 3. So, in order to avoid the confusions in writing the numbers, we have taken 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 as A, B, C, D, E, F. And this hexadecimal number is always also called as alpha numerical number system. Hence, this hexadecimal is also called as alpha numerical number system. Alpha refers to alphabets which we are using A, B, C, D, E, F, and numerical refers to this number 0 to 9. So, total I will be having 16 numbers and the numbers I am having is 0 to 9 and A to F. So, I will try to convert in the similar way what we did for octal. The number is 16. How can I write 16? I will write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So, I can rewrite this as 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. So, every number in hexadecimal can be represented in binary with how many digits? The power is 4. So, with 4 digits. So, this is the last number system which is also called as alpha numerical number system, which is having 16 numbers, and this hexadecimal number, individual number, can be converted to the binary number with 4 digits. So, if we conclude this, we have 4 basic number system. One is called as decimal, which is having 10 numbers from 0 to 9. The next we are having binary number system which is having 2 numbers 0 and 1. The octal which is having 8 numbers from 0 to 7. Hexadecimal which is having 16 numbers from 0 to 9 and A to F. Thank you.